scenario, how much of you would be giving it like on the OI Pulse rating actually? That's good. I see majorly at 10. Wow, that's amazing. Almost 1. I got it into like an 8.5. Remaining everything is like an 8 and 10 and 9. Definitely, I know there is a scope for improvement. I'm not going to be saying that. We have plenty of scope for improvement, but guys, trust me, you would have seen what we have been trying to do it right from day one to now. Okay, many of you who would have taken a subscription in last September to now would have known the leaps and bounds in terms of the growth which we have shown you. And guys, trust me, you won't be like even whatever the manual which we have been preparing and other things, our team has been putting in lots and lots of effort. Lots and lots of effort. Though I have a small team to do it, that's a good one. Personally used like a sensible Opstra trading picks and all, but value for money is OI Pulse. That shows that like how much you guys love OI Pulse is all about. Guys, you can see it. I saw a long build up in coal and then beta and tool trades, and and he made a good profit. So I'm so happy, guys. The most important thing when I look at the product is it's not about my product. It's about if this product is not catering to the needs of your trading needs, then I don't need to have this one. Even when I'm launching this open and high, I could have kept the secret with me. Why I should be revealing the secret, making it public, and making you guys is this one feature is not enough for you to make money? Even if you're able to take one trade in a month using this feature, is that not sufficient for you to recover your cost and then be happy and profitable? I know many of you would have just traded today to recover your whole monthly expenses using this particular feature alone today. Guys, those are the things which I wanted it to make a difference. I could have easily kept all these secrets with me, guys. Is that going to be enough? No. We wanted to give you a product from a commoner's perspective. As a commoner, if I wanted to make a trade and do whatever the things which I wanted it, how I needed to work on. Guys, it works on every day. Open and high works on every day. But the most important thing is watch out like in the other parameters as well. On a day when like an open and high matches, but like in all other parameters indicate the opposite direction, then that scenario it won't. That's the reason we have given you the probability